So a bit of backstory behind the Kawaii Jason mask that I came up with. It was basically just a concept of bringing one of my favorite slashers, Jason Voorhees, into sort of kawaii animated form. You know, I'm a big fan of animes, and I always liked the male characters whenever like in love. They like had big hard eyes and they had blush. So I basically took that inspo from there, from like you know, like Pokemon and Sailor Moon, and you know, anything you could really think of in regards to anime, and I just adapted that into the hockey mask, and that's where I came up with the Kawaii Jason. And then shortly after, I had the idea of also making an angry version, so I came up with the angwy Kawaii. This is the first one. This is the prototype. So just like in the animes, it has like the little veins where it's angry, and it has like the, you know, scratching, frowning eyes and stuff. So yeah, these are the two of my original creations, Kawaii and angwy Kawaii. And yeah, that's pretty much the backstory behind both of these. I don't think I'll be able to come up with a third idea for this lineup. So we have angry and we have, you know, in love. I don't think there's an in-between that I can think of. So for now, these are just the only two that I have to offer. I do make them on Thou Shall Create, my business website and Instagram. So these can be purchased. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'm going to fully suit up and you'll be able to see it in action.